Get a free book explaining on what you need to know before you hire a moving company. In this book we discuss the credentials you need to look for, a checklist of questions to ask the company. This book includes the following: why you must be very careful to not underestimate your move. What can go wrong with an unplanned move? The effective moving company searching strategies. How to choose the right moving company. The 10 questions you must ask a potential moving company. The potential costs. The 10 moving tips that will save you money. The recommend resources. Plus much more. This book will give you the confidence and guidance you need. Simply enter your email below for instant access to the book.